If you're looking to extend the life of your roof and enhance its curb appeal, you've come to the right place. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of Go Dawgs Roof Roof's process on roof rejuvenation. We'll walk you through each step, from initial assessment to final inspection, and show you how we turn your tired old roof into a revitalized masterpiece. Let's dive in and see how we can help your roof shine like new. 1. Initial assessment. We begin with a thorough inspection of your roof to identify areas that will benefit most from rejuvenation. 2. Cleaning. We clean your roof to remove dirt, debris, and any moss or algae that may have accumulated over time. 3. Application. Our team applies a high-quality rejuvenating treatment that restores color and reintroduces essential oils into your shingles. 4. Final inspection. After the rejuvenation process is complete, we conduct a final inspection to ensure your roof looks great and is ready to withstand the elements. If you're interested in giving your roof a fresh lease on life, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more tips and updates from Go Dawgs Roof Roof.